kindergarten, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed our Grumpy Cat video. Today we are going to be doing some addition practice. We know that addition means to put together. Let's try that again. Ready? Addition means to put together. So today we're going to be putting together two different numbers to come up with our sum. We know that we use the word sum when we're talking about the answer to an addition problem. Now, if you have a dry erase marker and a marker board, or something to write with and a piece of paper, go ahead and press the pause button on the video, grab it, and then come back because we're going to solve some problems together. If you don't have one, that's okay. You can just use your fingers. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I am going to model one for you, which means I am going to show you how to do one. So I'm going to use my little notebook right here because Mrs. Peterson doesn't have a dry erase board. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's say that I have 3 cookies. And then Tyler, well, he runs to the store and then he gives me 2 more cookies. So I'm going to use my plus sign. I'm going to write 2. So I started with 3 and now I'm adding 2. And I need to know what my sum is going to be. So I could use my fingers and I could put 3 up and then 2 up and count. Or I could use my circle strategy. So if I started with 3, I'm going to start by making 3 circles right here to represent this add-in. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to draw 2 circles over here to represent this add-in. And now I know my sum. I need to figure out how many I have all together. So I am going to count and I'm going to touch each circle while I count it so I don't skip any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that my sum for 3 plus 2 equals 5. My sum is 5. Let's practice reading this problem together. Ready? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Great work. Now this next one, let's try it together. Ready? So let's say that I have 5 books. I have 5 books. And then I get 4 more books because Mrs. Peterson just loves to read. So if I started with 5, then I'm going to get to 4. What am I going to put next? I need my plus sign. 5 plus, what was the add-in? How many books was I going to get next? Oh, it was 4. So that is the number I write next. So I have 5 plus 4. What comes next in my problem? My equal sign does. So I'm going to write my equal sign. Now, just like the last one, we can use our fingers or we can draw circles. Both strategies are great strategies. I am going to do circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why did I draw 5 circles right there? Because I had 5 as my first add-in. And now I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Why did I draw 4 circles right here? Because 4 is my next add-in. Now, I have my strategy partially done. What am I going to do next? I'm going to count them all up, and I'm going to make sure that I touch and say a number for each circle. Ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's my sum? My sum is 9. Great job. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is instead of writing up this next problem, I'm going to tell you and I want you to write it down or I want you to solve using your fingers. Both are really great strategies. Are you ready for my problem? Okay. So Zoe, she has 4 dog toys. And then Tyler decided he wanted to get her 3 more dog toys. So she started off with 4 dog toys. And then Tyler went to the store and bought Zoe 3 more dog toys. Now, how many dog toys does Zoe have now? What was your answer? Did you say 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Let's read this addition problem together. Ready? 4 plus 3 equals 7. Great work. All right, let's try a couple more together. So, Mrs. Peterson has 2 red crayons. And then I find 2 more red crayons. How many red crayons do I have now? So Mrs. Peterson started with 2 red crayons, and then she found 2 more red crayons. So what's my sum? If you said 2 plus 2 equals 4, then you're correct. Let's try another. Tyler has 7 pens. But then I give him 1 more pen. So how many pens does Tyler have now? So Tyler started with 7, and then I gave him 1. Now how many does he have? What's his sum? Did you get 8? Did you have 7 plus 1 equals 8? Now this one was trickier to do on your fingers because you only have 5 fingers on each hand. So if you were able to do this on your fingers, kiss your brain because that is some hard work. Let's go ahead and let's read this problem together. Ready? 7 plus 1 equals 8. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to use some friends in our class. So let's say Carter has 4 race cars. And then Quamar gave Carter 2 more race cars. Now how many does Carter have? So if Carter started with 4 and then Quamar gave him 2 more race cars, how many race cars does Carter have now? What's his sum? If you answered 6, then you are correct. Let's read our problem. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Kindergarten friends, you did a great job today working on addition. We know that our big words were sum and plus. You know that addition means to put together. Let's do that together. Ready? Addition means to put together. Kiss your brains because you worked very hard. I love and miss you, kindergarten. I'll see you later.